Eight slams down. They head down that front straightaway here in the first race of the day. The 8 pros on the track leading it into turn number 1. Out of turn number 1 they come racing hard. Everybody upright. That's just the way we want to see it on day 2. It's a long drive home for some of these after this. Coming around turn number 2, got the 110 followed by the 290. The 110 of Daniel Smith leading the way. Brandon Reed in your 2 spot. It is Smith, Reed, 1 and 2 heading into the last turn. One straightaway to go. Here they come downhill from there. It's still Smith. It's still Reed in 2. It'll be Smith, Reed, the 112, and the 107, the 112. 8 down, and they are off heading towards turn number 1. 2 riders a little faster than the rest. Oh, 3 of them, 2 wide. They're coming into turn number 1. The second straightaway to go. Got Upshaw on point. Upshaw leading the way aboard that 137 bike. Got the 124 in your 2 spot. That'll be William, the Drill Grant. With Paul, P.J. Philippone in 3. Upshaw, Grant, Philippone, 1, 2, and 3 going into the last turn. Here they come down that last straightaway with Upshaw on point. It'll be Upshaw. It'll be Grant. 8 down, and they are off, heading towards turn number 1 again. Seems like they always go towards turn number 1. Every single time. Right turn, I'll bet you. Yep, and another right turn. On that left after that. Into turn number 2 they head. 3 riders battling for it. Out in front, though. The 224. 214, Derek Betcher out in front, leading into the last turn. Betcher on point. He got 3 riders in tow. Coming back this direction. Those colors, that's Palmer in your 2 spot. It'll be Betcher. And they're off heading down front straightaway. Got Besserine off to an early lead. Christian Besserine out in front. Got Colombo in your 2 spot. Besserine, Colombo, 1 and 2. Polkamp in your 3. Polkamp side by side. Still got Besserine out in front. Colombo in 2. Polkamp in the 3. Got Carnes hiding back here in the 4 spot. As they head towards that last turn, still Besserine on point. Back this way they come. It's going to be Besserine, Colombo, Polkamp, and Carnes in 4. That must be Aggie's dog over there cheering for him as they head down that front straightaway. No, he needs to bark. Let him bark. Cheer. Look what that is. He just can't say pedal. Got the 6 bike out in front. That's McKeva, the Hulk Hobson, leading the way. With Lucchesi in your 2 spot. Hobson, Lucchesi. Into the last turn they go with 1 straightaway. Hobson on point, coming back this direction. Likes what he sees out in front of him, which is us smiling down at him. It was Hobson. It's Lucchesi. All right, as they work their way down that front straightaway. 3 riders getting gone. Gun answers S-squared colors. But there's 2 or 3 of them out there, so we're going to have to pick it out by the number plate. Looks like a 2. Got the Juice of Richmond out in front. Justin Juice Richmond leading the way, followed by Ryan Sinzo in your 2 spot. Looking at Habib in your 3. That's Richmond. That's Sinzo. Habib, 1, 2, and 3. Heading into the last turn. Here they come. 1 straight up. And it'll be Richmond, Sinzo, Habib. And there they go. Women's juniors heading towards the front. First turn, looks like Brown might be out in front. Whoa, lost 2. Rolling down backwards, down the hill. That's the wrong way to go. We are looking at Brown out in front, if I'm correct, into turn number 1. It is Brown, that's turn number 2. With Sanders in your 2 spot. Brown, Sanders, 1 and 2, heading towards that pro section, but they are staying high as they go into the last turn. I still got Samantha Brown on point. Here she comes. With Sanders in tow, coming to the line. The race is on. It'll be Brown, Sanders, the 1. Towards turn number 1 they go. Got Carr out in front. That's Amanda Carr leading the way into turn number 1. Geving in your 2 spot. That's Carr, Geving, 1 and 2, headed towards turn number 2. Got Portman hiding back here in that 3 spot. Carr, Geving, Portman still 1, 2, and 3. Carr and Geving with the race on as they head towards that last turn. Still Carr on point, Geving tuning up that back tire, trying to spin it out, take that lead spot away. But guess what? Carr feeling the heat, turns it up. Coming back this way is going to be Carr. It'll be Geving. Towards turn number 1 they go, and off. Powering into the lead. It's Demolition, Dominique Daniels. And Daniels George in your 2 spot. 3B leads the way. Got the power in the legs as you head towards turn number 2. All this, it's in Gilbert, Arizona. Keep you in shape, that's the way to do it. Got the third 23. The 33 and 2, that is Dingley. The Devo George got Elena Anderson in your 3, going into the last turn. Here they are.
All right,
three bike lanes between each of these riders. They come back down. It's going to be Daniels, George. Racing towards turn number 1. First place rider gets John permission to lead him. Down the second straightaway. Would be Bidloss out in front. Meliak Bidloss out in front. Got Gator in your 2 spot. Bidloss, Gator, Isock, 1, 2, and 3. Into the last turn, still Bidloss on point. Gator in your 2. Gator not gaining at all. It's going to be Bidloss, Gator. As they roll towards turn number 1, racing on. Whitfield, Townsend, Cooley in that order at the moment. It is still Whitfield, Townsend, Cooley, 1, 2, and 3. Napper in your 4th spot. Whitman, Townsend, Cooley, Napper. Napper trying to make a move in that 4th spot. Can he find room to get in? Not there. It's going to be Whitfield, Townsend, Cooley. Now toward turn number 1, they are 5 wide. But Nick Long coming down the middle, pulling Sebesta, who's in your 2. Sebesta in your 2 spot, riding for Answer S Square, new ride. As they head towards turn number 2, still Nick Long off point. Sebesta in your 2. That's Sebesta, then Fox. Then Long in 3, coming back at me. Sebesta still on point. It'll be Sebesta. It'll be Fox. The race is on. Anybody can win this one as they head towards turn number 1. David, the Herminator Herminator leading the way. Looks like could be up. It is the Herminator, followed by the 42 of Kirkham in your 2 spot. Herminator, Kirkham 1 and 2, heading towards that last turn. John Robinson in your 3 spot. Oh, it might be Stair in your 3. Coming back this way. Herman, Kirkham, Stair. It's going to be Herman, Kirkham, Stair. In your 2 spot. Stein leads away, Nalapo in 2. They head towards turn number 2. Out of turn number 2, Stein, Nalapo. Then the 128 of Logan Collins in 3. It is Stein, Nalapo, Collins, 1, 2, and 3. Into the last turn. Here they come. Still shopping for it, but nobody's buying. Back this way. Stein going to get there for an easy one. Nalapo. Ruby colors on point as they head towards turn number 1. That might be Cameron. Not anymore. Cameron back into the second straightaway. We are looking at, could be Shira out in front. 24, it's Corbin Shira leading the way. It's Shira, followed by Cameron, 1 and 2. Shira started off in second, moves into first. It is running as it comes back this way. It is going to be Shira. It'll be Cameron. 4:53.
Okay, awesome, Loba. How you doing?
All right, we got taking the lead. Running down that second straightaway. He is off. You're going to have to catch him. He's going to be hard to catch. Berthieu. Stromberg in your 2 spot. That is Berthieu, man. Stromberg. Yes, colors hot back here in your 3 spot. That's Jim running at 3. Berthieu, Stromberg, Brown coming back at us. It'll be Berthieu, Stromberg, Brown. And the race is on. The man in black out in front. That's Mark Willard leading the way. Says it's cloudy today, so I'm going to compensate. Of course, I got a black shirt on too. Heading into turn number 2. Still Willer's on point. Willer's leading the way.
Willer's is
got the 87 in your 2 spot. That's Danny Kellogg in your 2 spot. Picard hiding back here at 3. Willer's, Kellogg, Picard coming back at us with Willer's on point. That's Picard on top. It's going to be Picard. Then Willard.